Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture everything live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot from me to record these videos while I trade live. So, if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market both SPY and Q is gapping down. That gives me a bearish sentiment on the stocks that I'm watching today. Going into market open, I would be watching Amazon, Netflix, Tesla, and Nvidia. I've also added Shopify to my list, but it would not be my primary watch, mainly because Shopify has very low options volume, but I'll keep it on watch as well. I would like all the stocks that I'm watching to make a new low and continue down and then give me a pop back to resistance levels so that I could buy some puts. I do have some levels defined for all the stocks that I'm watching, and I hope these stocks give me some good entries today. We do have around 11 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching, not jumping in. I did not take a trade on Amazon because Amazon did not break the pre-market low. And I'm glad I did that because right now I don't have confirmation on a bearish trend. Same with Tesla. We don't have a confirmation yet. So I'll keep waiting. NFLX actually made a new low. Now I'm interested. I'll wait for this 5-minute candle to close. I want a strong red candle. Now it looks good. Now I like 380 level. "20 minutes into market open. No trades as of yet. Markets are bleeding. Watching Tesla. 880 level. I don't want to jump in. Giving it some time. 35 minutes into the day. No trades as of yet. Feeling a bit frustrated here. You're starting a new candle. Hopefully this makes a new high. Make a move, please. Tesla, give me an entry. Q falling. 45 minutes into market open, no trades. It's really frustrating. Coming in Netflix at 10. Yep, I'm in Netflix. Finally, I got one trade. It's 60, I'm getting in Tesla too. So for the first time, I'm managing two positions together, and I think I will sell 8 of them, 1050. Now just holding 2 of them, I'll sell at 1060. Not able to manage both the trades together. 1005. I'll try to get out Netflix and then I'll focus on Tesla. Yep. Now I'm just in Tesla. Look to add 10 around this area. 760 placing. Yep. I'm in. Make my next add around 905. On Tesla, I added at 860 and 760. My average being 793. Right now I'm in the money. Selling 5 at 925 and 45. Now just holding 5 of them. Selling some at 975 and 10. Selling at 940. Yep, I'm out. Tesla finally gave me some entries. 810, I'm placing an order for 5 contracts. Yep, I'm in at 810. I'll add around 905.80. Setting at 820. Just a quick scalp. Today was stressful because I had to wait for like 1 hour literally to get my first trade. And I got into 2 positions at the same time, which is something that I never do. I tried it and I realized that I could not do it. Something real quick. If you're enjoying these videos and if you love to see my live trades every single day on YouTube, please let me know in the comment section. I really appreciate your feedback. So right now we're approaching around 10 CST. I do have around 30 minutes. Right now I see things are slowing down and I don't want to overstay my welcome. Overall, it was a tough day of trading. Even though I'm green on the day, it was really tough. I had to exercise self-control. Tesla was tough to trade today. I missed some good opportunities, as you could see in my video, but I'm grateful to be green and making $2,600. I have many reasons to be happy. So that's it from me today. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.